In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change email in Brevo. To get started, you will need to log into your Brevo account. Go ahead and open your web browser, then navigate to the Brevo login page. Once you are there, enter your login details and sign in. After you successfully log in, you should land on your Brevo dashboard or main area where you can manage your settings. This step matters because your profile and email settings are tied to the account you are currently using. Next, once you are logged in, you will click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner of the screen. Look for a small user icon, a circle with your initials, or your name displayed near the top right. This is usually easy to spot because it is the same place across most Brevo pages. By opening this menu, you will access the profile area where your email address can be updated. After you click your profile name or icon, a menu will appear. In that menu, you will select My Profile. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the option that specifically says My Profile, since that is where personal account details are managed. When you enter My Profile, you should see information related to your account and contact details. Now that you are on the My Profile page, you will look for the Edit option next to your email address. Find the email field and then locate the Edit icon that sits beside it. This Edit icon usually looks like a pencil or a small symbol indicating you can modify that information. Clicking the Edit icon is the step that allows you to make changes, so if you do not see an Edit icon, double-check that you are on the correct section of the profile page. Once you click the Edit icon next to your email address, the email field should become editable. You will then enter your new email address. Before you type anything, it can help to review the new address you plan to use so you avoid mistakes. Make sure the email address is spelled correctly and includes the correct formatting, such as the proper symbol between the username and the domain. Clear, accurate entry here is important, because this new email is what Brevo may use for notifications and account communications. When you have entered the new email address, your screen should show an option to finalize the update. The final step is to click Save. Take a moment to ensure you click the Save button associated with the email change, not a different control on the page. After you click Save, Brevo will typically process the update, and your profile should reflect the new email address. This confirms that the change has been successfully applied to your account, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.